Good morning, it's Monday, September the 27th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Just wanted to say thanks and hi to all the great CEOs that I met this weekend at the Cambridge conference. A lot of buzz with gold breaking the $1,300 mark. So there's a lot of excitement in the air. There were a lot of retail investors milling around, checking out what the industry has to offer. Great weekend, so thanks and hi to everybody that I met at the show. But it's time to get down to business. I've got 3 great press releases for you this morning. 2 out of the Canadian side, both out of the resource sector. I've got 1 U.S. story, and I've got 4 halts to report on this morning in the second segment. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called VMS Ventures. They trade on the TSX Venture appropriately under the symbol VMS. They're a former AGORACOM client. They've got big news this morning. They're announcing that they've received their first infill drill results from their Reed Lake joint venture project. I've got some highlights which include hole number 1, which returned 10 meters of 5.56% copper, so great concentration of copper there. Once again, 10 meters of 5.56% copper. Additionally, we've got hole number 2, which returned 38.5 meters of 3.8% copper. Once again, another great intersection, a long intersection with a great concentration of copper. Additionally, the company is announcing that a $3 million exploration program has been approved, so VMS looks like they're firing on all cylinders. A little bit about the company. They're focused primarily on acquiring, exploring, and developing copper, zinc, gold, silver, massive sulfite deposits in the Flin Flon Snow Lake VMS belt of Manitoba. And this is where, as most of you would know, Hud Bay is located. They've got a big mine there. The company is last at 32.5 cents, high of 43 cents. I don't have their low, but their market cap is $37 million. Moving on to the next company, Northair. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol INM. The company today is announcing additional gold assays from their recently completed drill program at the La Cigata project, which is located in north-central Mexico. There's a ton of intercepts here. However, I'm going to give you the highlights, which are hole number 6, which returned 32 meters of 0.068 grams per ton of gold. That's not the important component here. What is important is the silver, 132 grams per ton of silver, and that's over 32 meters. Additionally, we've got hole number 11, which was 19 meters containing 0.3 grams per ton of gold and 87 grams per ton of silver. Silver's in and around the $21 mark. I'm hearing $30 for silver in the short term. However, take a look at what all the analysts are saying. Take what I say with a grain of salt. A little bit about the company. They're concentrating on their main exploration activities in Mexico. They're last at 7 cents, high of 21 cents, low of 5 cents, market cap of $2.5 million. Excuse me. Now we're moving on to the next company. This is out of the U.S. side. It's actually a China-based company. They're called China BAK. They trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol CBAK. They're a manufacturer of lithium-based batteries. So anybody that likes the green technology, this is one of these companies you should be looking at. They're announcing that they were awarded a new contract to supply lithium-ion high-power batteries to a leading e-bike manufacturer. They're called GOB Electric Vehicle Company, which is located in China. Under the terms of the agreement, China BAK will supply 1,000 units of lithium-ion high-power batteries to manufacture the electric bicycles. Management expects to receive additional orders from GOB Electric following successful integration and performance testing. The company's last at 177, high of 522, low of 133, market cap of approximately $112 million. Now let's move over to the halts. I've got 4 for you. First company, Timmins Gold. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol TMM. That's our good friend Alex. We saw him at the Cambridge conference this weekend. So hopefully we got great news coming out of Timmins. We've got Cream Minerals. They trade on the venture under the symbol CMA. They're halted pending news. Sandspring Resources on the venture SSP, halted pending news. And finally, we've got Advanced Exploration on the venture under the symbol AXI, halted pending news. Thanks for joining us. That's a wrap for today's show. If you're looking for more great small cap opportunities, go to the front page of AGORACOM. Check out our marketplace. You'll find a ton of great companies there with this market that's developing with gold at 1,300, silver starting to break out. You might want to find some great opportunities that we've got on AGORACOM for you. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you again here tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.